Yo, this is Music Phil, and Yardstyle Live is sponsored by Willie's Thatch Roof Restaurant and Bar, 150 Mullines Road, Kingston, Jamaica. Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Live. You don't know Kingston, Jamaica, Willis, Thatch Roof and Cool Out Spot, 150 Mullines Road. And he said today on Yardstyle Live, we have the world-renowned Nature Ellis. Nature Ellis.
Give thanks and praise unto the Most High God. Yeah. Yes. Express yourself. Everyone should be able to express themselves freely. Free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Nature Ellis, I say, free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Yeah. We need free speech so that the messenger can teach, so the people realize their crooked lies. Free up your messenger so Jaja words can reach ya. Free up your messenger, messenger of truths and rights. Yeah. Free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak, yeah. Free the dumb, yeah. Freedom, yeah. Free the dumb, you should be free to speak, yeah. Free like a Marcos speech, like the Whalers lyrics. Free like Malcolm X and Martin Luther King's speech. So many lose their lives because they speak the truth. Malcolm X and Martin Luther King that execute, but still we have to free the dumb. Yeah. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Nature Ellis, I say, free the dumb. Yeah. Freedom. Free the dumb, you should be free to speak, yeah. Yes, the Orthodox teach so you can learn. Yes, the Bobo man teach so you can learn. Yes, the Bingy man teach so you can learn. Yes, the 12 tribe teach so you can learn. Free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak, yeah. Free the dumb, yeah. Freedom. Free the dumb, you should be free to speak, yeah. Yeah, it's a Jah, Rastafari. Nature Ellis and the messenger, guidance and protection upon your children, Jah. Yeah. Yeah. Praise Jah. Lucian, a big respect anyway there. We got the strength and the power to Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemies. We got the strength and the power to Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemies, yeah. Some put their trust in horses and chariots, thinking that it could fulfill their needs, only to find something is missing. 'Cause there's this emptiness deep within, but we got the strength and the power. To Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemy. We got the strength and the power. To Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemies. They that dwell up in the secret place of the Most High God shall abide under the shadows of the Almighty. He's our rock, our sword and shield. While we travel on this battlefield, we got the strength and the power. To Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemies. We got the strength and the power. To Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemies, yeah. He's so light in this dark age. While we tread along, as we journey along. Tower, tower, tower of strength in the storm. Jah never leave our side in this Gideon. We got the strength and the power. To Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemy. We got the strength and the power. To Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemy. We got the strength and the power. To Jah be the glory. The Most High go before us, protect us from the enemies. Yeah. It's in nature, Ellis. Give thanks and praise to the Most High Jah. Rastafari.
Yes, Yardstyle Live, you don't know, we had Nature Ellis. You don't know the world globe trotter, you know, reggae artist. Big up yourself. People, check out Nature Ellis on all social media handles. Nature Ellis, big up yourself. Yeah, man, thanks for the support. You don't know, Yardstyle Live. You know, tell the people how you can reach them.
Yes, my Instagram, official Nature Ellis Music, and you know, in the link up, you can find the rest of details. Zane, so that's I love.
Yeah, man, people, Nature Ellis, world-renowned reggae artist. Yardstyle Live. Yes, sir, we keep it real. Nature Ellis, big up.
This segment is brought to you by Jamrock Records Publishing.
This week on Yardstyle Live, I have a special guest. The world peace singer, the revolutionary, Nature Ellis on Yardstyle Live. You what? Check it out right now. Yardstyle Live. Yes, sir. We keep it real.
I've been in the music business since 2007, 2008, so I would say about 14 years. But I've been nurturing my talent since about 9 years old. But 14 years in the business regards to traveling, doing music overseas, making money from music. So I would imagine that's where the business started. You know what I mean? But I've been singing since 9. Yeah. Well, my current name is also Nature Ellis, you know, because it's registered and all these things, and I own it, and it's I and I. When you see me in the streets, people say Nature Ellis, so I am Nature Ellis for real. But the government name is Andre Ellis, you know what I mean? Born in St. James, place called Glendavon in Montego Bay, you know what I mean? So we give thanks and praise for life, we're there. Yes, one of my most memorable performances was in Germany. You know, talking about 2010 Reggae Jam. You know what I mean? Where it was the first time performing for such a wide audience out of Jamaica. You know, apart from performing at Sting and Sumfest and all these before Reggae Jam. But Reggae Jam was a eye-opener for me when I went and performed there as a festival, first festival. And you know, the vibe that I got and all these things, the reception, you know, was so great. So I will always remember that. You know, First Cut is the deepest. That was my first festival, and we give thanks. Yes, my most memorable collab would have to be the collab since recently with the great Luciano. You know, talking about this song went number 3 on the top 100 iTunes chart a couple of weeks ago, and also the full album went number 1, you know, on the top 100 reggae chart, iTunes, US iTunes chart. So, you know, it's a great vibe, you know. People all over the world love this collab with myself and Luciano and things. So we're just waiting on the plaque right now for the number 1 spot regards to my album Revolution Choice, which that song is a part of also. So big up to Luciano. Luciano has always been an inspiration to I, as well as other conscious artists such as Garnet Silk. You know, so to do a collab with Luciano, you know, it's just a blessing because, but you know, it's not something that is I'm too surprised about, because I see myself as someone who does conscious music, talking about world peace from those times, you know, trying man. So to do a collab with Luciano, I just find that, you know, we are just a part of this family which is doing conscious music to elevate the people mentally, physically and spiritually. So that's a good one. Luciano, big respect anyway there. Yeah, the song World Peace came about when I was at Downtown Records and I was given the rhythm. Then I said, okay, I got to do something which is gonna inspire the world, you know, because that's what I do music for, to elevate, you know, I mean, to represent equal rights and justice, you know. So I said, all right, that's how world peace came about. I sat there and I said, this world need more peace, you know what I mean, too much chaos going on. So I said, all right, a bag of man in that time, a lot of artists been singing about war, bust off your head, murder, you know, ray, you know what I mean? So I say, you know what, as much as I come from Glendevon and them have a stigma on it and say, yo, I be a crime and violence going on Glendevon where I come from in a Montego Bay and all these things. So I say, you know, I can make a difference. So there came World Peace. I wrote that song in about 30 minutes. You know what I mean? So it was just an inspiration from the Most High. I like to perform all of my songs, you know, but I got to say Trying Man is a very personal song to I because it talks about a part of my struggle. You know what I mean? Leaving from the country, coming to Kingston, did not have a place to stay, you know what I mean? You know, Bob Marley have a song say Rockstone was my bed last, and Rockstone was my pillow. I know that feel, you understand? Because Rockstone was my pillow. You know what I mean? When I came to Kingston at one point, you know, so yeah, that song is very dear to my heart because, you know, I can really, I'm at that place every time I sing that song, where I'm coming from. So, yeah, Trying Man is one of those songs that touch me deeply whenever I'm singing it, you know what I mean? Yeah. As well as all my songs, but Trying Man is such a personal one to I. Well, as you mentioned, you use the metaphor, I'm an electric performer, or electrifying me, as you want to say. But, you know, when it comes to electricity, you know, say, it's about start from the voltage. So the stronger the voltage, the stronger the outcome. You know, talking about the ampere and resistance will be, you know what I mean? So, who is the greatest? Who have the most voltage? The Almighty God. You know what I mean? Highest voltage, which give life to everything, everyone. So I is connected to the Almighty God. You know what I mean? I look to the Almighty God when I go forth on a stage or to write a song. So I think my energy is from the Almighty God. So when I sing, people feel it and them say, yes, it's electrifying. So that's how that energetic or continuogetic, because through the word end, yeah, and I end this up, but we are continuous. So the continuogetic vibe that people feel is from the Almighty God. So I'll praise it unto the Most High God. Well, I would say the project that is going to be put out, because we just have a project out which we're still promoting right now, which is Revolution Choice, the album which was produced by Ambassador of Choice Records. It just went number 1, as I said before, on the iTunes Top 100 US iTunes. So we're still doing more promotion with that album, and we'll be doing more promotion for the next couple of months. But I am always in the studio recording and always rehearsing, you know, even though it's a pandemic or whatever You understand what I mean? So I and I is still practicing, rehearsing my song, so when the time come, I will be able to deliver it to the people in the way it should be delivered. Free the dumb, freedom, free the dumb, so that they can speak. Yeah. We need free speech, so that the messenger can teach. So the people realize their crooked lies. Free up your messenger, so Jaja words can reach ya. Free up your messenger, messenger of truths and rights, yeah. Come along. Free the dumb, freedom. Yeah, this is Nature Ellis.
And this segment is brought to you by the legendary Backyard magazine.
You don't know Fame Styles, welcome to Yardstyle. Them say everybody thing, you know?
See that?
You don't know, big up yourself.
Respect.
You know, respect for art on this platform, you see me? It took some doing, but you're there. Respect, manners, and thanks. Yeah, Fame Styles. That name. How you come about that name?
Alright. I fell in love with hip hop music from an early stage, so I had the name Fame. Famous was the name. You know, in every community you have a chant name for everybody.
Yeah.
Your name Philip, them call you Phil. So my name was Famous, so them call me Fame. I never see myself establishing as a hip hop artist from Jamaica, so I decided to make a change, right? Because I'm already call me by the name Fame. I decided to say I'm going to just join it up with something and just find the styles, bring it around to my friend them, and them say, yeah man, I like that flow there. It'll work. So I just work with the Fame styles like.
So you just add Fame and Styles.
We just add the Fame to the styles and just work with it.
Yeah, because your real name is what again, though?
Sheldon, I'm a real name.
The Sheldon thing that wouldn't work.
Yeah, it never work. That's sound.
I hear the thing. You see,
Sound.
you see, do it yesterday, we had Yardstyle Live, and our tagline was we keep it real. The name them have that sound, the song.
And it's
Fame
a
Style.
style.
Yeah, and a Fame
And
and
Sheldon
Style.
sound old fashioned.
Yeah, so Fame Styles. Yeah,
Yes.
so that's the name we are working with now, you know. So how did you get influenced to be in this music? Like you did it one day, what caused this, say, a music me I do? Because I know you're a barber still, you know?
Yeah, by profession.
Yeah.
I come from a community where music is like a backbone.
Community that now.
And that is 18 Winland with Kingston.
Okay.
Our banks.
Outer East.
Outer East. And we play music every day. Right? And known sound King Jamaican. It's a big sound that. And that sound that come from that same community. So, you know, music is a part of us. Right? I could stay over my house and hear King Jamaican play. Bob Marley, Dennis Brown, name them, the Peter Touch, come up to the Shabba ranks. As a youth come up, Beanie and Bounty Killer. So I could have stay from over my place
And hear the music.
and hear all of these greats, right, sing. So that spark a interest of wanting to sing, because you're hearing music every day in your ears as a youth growing up.
Every day the sound I play, man. Pananak.
Panana.
Yeah,
So coming from a musical background where party and sound system I play, that give me the first inspiration, wanting to do music.
So which artist you say now? I was one of the main artists that say, yo, the artist here, him, why me really gonna propel myself to be like this Fame Styles and all of them stuff. You're gonna be a singer, you're gonna DJ, you're gonna just be like a prominent artist. You motivate, that's the say.
I got motivation from a variety of different artists. As I say, I fell in love with hip hop. So you know, say I was listening hip hop music also. The biggest small them come up. So it's a variety of artists put together. Let me want to do music at this minute. So it is coming from the Dennis Brown them come up mixed with the hip hop genre.
So it's a fusion.
It's a fusion of everything that we want to experiment this talent.
So that's how, because I noticed when you're singing you have this unique sound, so that sound is a fusion of like influence from reggae, dancehall, hip hop.
Hip hop.
Okay. So where was the first place that you performed? Like, because everybody got them said church.
Yeah, that is everybody, but we perform in my community.
All right. So the community
Yeah,
was
so the sound system, them and the regular parties, them will just go up and we just sing a regular rap song what we know. And we sing a regular dancehall song what we know. We get a little forward and, you know, that sparks off a little motivation.
So I guess back in that days, you used to be the regular person out at East as a party, dance, anything, film style, name, so automatically you get book feet. So you're like the voice of the community, as I said.
Well, at that minute, you'd have other artists there too,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
at that minute, as a youngster coming up, the community analyzing me as an artist.
Yeah, so basically, you come from out of East, a place in Burbank, so you were like the voice of the community. So film styles, and that's how you're grown, that's what I say.
You can call it so.
That's how they grown. All right, recording now, as what I say. First professional recording, yeah, ask. Because you know you do a whole heap of songs, but the first one you say, yeah, this was professionally done, and it get on the earwaves, it depends on sound system.
Okay, I started off my first professional recording 2012, and that's the same type of song, Love You,
The way out.
that I sang earlier. 9 years old, that song is about 9 years old.
Yeah, call it a fine, say 9 or 10.
Yeah, 9 or 10 years old. So I started off my first professional recording 10 years back. But I've been doing music about 11, 12 years. So the first my first two years of music was like to position myself.
Now you call it trial and error.
Yeah, you don't want to enter in something that you don't sure about. So it was like positioning. I just want to master and perfect the craft for the first 2 years. Then professionally say I want to do this, so I just venture in the genre.
So yeah, films, how you talk with the music and the other profession that you do?
It is simple, right? Because I don't have to necessarily be in a studio to come up with an idea.
Okay.
Right? I could be on the ball field. I could be just reasoning with my friend and we are singing some other song that just sparks an interest. And I could just come up with an idea, come up with a melody, come up with a flow. So it wasn't hard for me to do any other thing while doing the music same time.
So as a year already, me just find a song.
No, not necessarily, but I could find a melody.
Thank you. And that are the most important. That are the key thing in our song, the melody. And that are the part where hook the people. So who are some of the producers that your film style has worked with?
I started off with Garrison in production. SK, big up yourself.
Big up
So I
SK.
started off with Garrison in production. Then I work with some other labels such as Street Black Records. I'm now presently working with Southern Entertainment.
Southern Entertainment, yeah.
I have an overseas label, Cedar Valley Records. Big up to Risky B. Big up to Wayne. Those are the producers. So I presently have an EP working on for that label.
Okay.
And that's just for now, no other labels.
All right. Film style, how the music help you network in the business?
All right, as long as you have a song that is catchy or well known, you gotta have selectors reaching out to you. So I use that platform to move from one selector to another selector. So social media is one platform that I use to get the music across, to get it to you, so that Roots FM can have it playing, to get it to any other radio job.
I'm on Yardstyle Live too.
I'm on Yardstyle Live.
You know, Kaya, you don't know. But you said before, you have not really been on any major stage. But you were, if you're on Yardstyle Live,
You're on a major platform.
you're on a major platform. You see, me have to make that statement to every artist who come here. So, as I said before, film stars get him name, him doing performance and things. More ask the final thing. Where people can find film styles on the social media platform?
At Fame Styles, so you can go on the Instagram and you follow me at Fame Styles Official. That is right across the board. Twitter, Facebook, etc.
So people
right
can
across the board.
so
people can just go on YouTube and type in Fame Styles,
and everything come
and everything will just come up. So Fame Styles right across the board.
All right. So, which songs are you currently working with now? That, like you say, even 1, 2 songs that I said, yo, them are the songs where me I push now. You have a barrage, you have a catalog of songs, but you're basically supposed to say even 2 or 3 songs. They say, listen, these are the songs that me I push now to get me thing out there on the road. What are some of the songs?
The Jamaica song is a song that sparked my interest. So I feel like it's a very powerful song. So the Jamaica song is one song that I want to get out there. I just recently recorded I Get to Girl Love Up the Wicked. That's for the overseas label Cedar Valley Entertainment, and that is another song where it have an international appeal. So I think that can make a mark. So those are the 2 songs so far. I have other songs playing right now.
You don't know Yardstyle Live, Fame Styles. You don't know the part of the show where make the people hear your voice. You see me? So the song that we are promote, you want me to make Yardstyle Live here tonight? Please.
Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land, we love ya. Now sell out we culture. I get a gal of up the wickedest. Let me upgrade you. Bad gal better than Rottweiler. I saw she hot like hellfire. Fame Styles represent Yardstyle Live.
You don't know. This is Music Phil and this is Fame Style. You don't know Yardstyle Live. You know where big up Fame Styles for passing through on Yardstyle Live. And remember, you can find Fame Styles on all
Musical platforms, social media.
Social media platforms. Fame Styles. Bless up and thanks for being a part of
Represent.
Yardstyle Live. Well, you what? And yes, so we keep it real. This segment of Yardstyle Live is sponsored by O'Sullivan Stain Blaster. Let it do the hard work for you. Just spray and wipe. I don't know, Yardstyle Live is at Willis, That Roof and Cool Out Spot, 150 Nemo Lines Road, Kingston, Jamaica. But right about now, we have on Yardstyle Live today, we have Fame Style, Fame Style, Fame Style.
Represent Yardstyle Live, Southern Entertainment, Cedar Valley, our artists, Fame Styles, yeah, all of the haters them, yeah, tell them follow we out, yeah, tell them say follow we out, yes them believe we, tell them say them believe we, tell them say follow we out, the garrison them only, you fight tell them believe we, tell them say follow we out, a pagans them, get the youths alone them pray upon. No one we feel rise, but we stay strong. Call upon the Father, fi tell them say follow we. We no do them nothing at all. I true we hustle, I work for we own. Them don't want we fi rise out of the slum, so them fight we and them hold we down. So then, yeah, tell the pagans them follow we. Them come a bantan we and them no know we. Like the trees in a spring, we have to blow 'em every day. See them struggle we face and I go show them. I just the garrison alone. Like say house and car we no fi own. No job, no work, we fi stay home and suffer another pressure, you know. Tell them say follow we out, yes them fi leave we. Tell them say them fi leave we. Tell them say follow we out. The garrison them only, you fight tell them fi leave we. Tell them say follow we out. A pagans them, get the youths alone them pray upon. No one we fi rise, but we stay strong. Call upon the Father, yeah. Dash. Drop it, it's boogie. 144 square miles, pretty beaches from the countryside, blue mountains and the blue skies and the sunshine every day. Out of many one people we strive, I just love no fuss or fight. And the city life, party every day, all night. Jamaica, Jamaica, yeah, the land of food and water. We little but we talawa. Jamaica, Jamaica, yeah, Jamaica land, we love ya. Now sell out we culture. We country smart, still we big out there. Everywhere in the world I jam down, me say. Enough sell out and some lose them way. Go a foreign and forget where them born. Nobody get where me come from. Aki saltfish, breadfruit and the yellow yam. Jerk chicken festival with tradition. We little island so finna Milan. Jamaica nice, the music right. Reggae roots rock the dance all vibe. Pampa Mali time, no coffee or rice. So make we unite, keep the trend alive. Jamaica nice, in a sports we rise. You see and Bowl, Chris Gale, Fraser Price. Although times hard, we have to survive. So make we enjoy our paradise. Jamaica, Dash. I get a gal up the wickedest. Wine. Give me the girl them with the wickedest. Yeah. Bad girl badder than Rottweiler. I saw she hot like hellfire. The next dance all queen, so she tick it, so she drop it, so she clap it like church choir. Yeah.
Excuse me, girl, come let me upgrade you. Yeah, are you feel rock the world? Upgrade you, hey. Let me upgrade you, yeah. Let me upgrade you, hey, 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 hey. Upgrade you. Ghetto girl from the streets, wind up your body for me. I know who you could be. The next dancehall queen, ghetto girl from the streets. Let me upgrade you, please. I know who you could be. The next dancehall. Yeah. From the street dance to the billboard. From the posters to the billboard. Let me upgrade you into a J-Lo. Turn up the bass, make she mash up the place, yo. So she hula whoop, so she hopscotch. Little hood rat, hotter than my granny Dutch pot. Champion bubble, oh, baby, you who trouble you. Hey, excuse me, girl. Come let me upgrade you. Are you feel like the world? Upgrade you. Hey, let me upgrade you. Let me upgrade you. Hey, hey, let me up. Rock the world. Ghetto girl from the streets. Your body for me, I know who you could be. The next dancehall queen, ghetto girl from the streets. Let me upgrade you, please. I know who you could be. The next dancehall, yeah.
People, you don't know. Yardstyle Live. Fame Styles. You see me, the man was a low way out. You understand me? Just check out Fame Styles Power. All social media handles. You understand me?
This segment is brought to you by Jamrock Records Publishing.
Big Mike Chiller.
I'm your girl Kenisha with this week's new releases.
Big Mike Chiller. Big Mike Chiller.
This week's new release is Black House Rhythm, produced by Big and Serious Entertainment.
She tell me she jump on the bike and she rev.
Featuring songs like TikTok with Idon and Chucky Serious.
Wind up your body for me, baby. Wind up your body for me, baby. Don't you Chucky Serious. I love a girl there.
Yalla Broke Out by Munga and a Rebel. I'm your girl Kenisha with this week's new releases.
Music Phil.
Yo, this is John Legend. I'm chilling with Music Phil.